I wanted to share with you all my experience with Blinds.com and getting beautiful window treatments for these large windows in our living room and dining room area. When I went to Blinds.com, it was so easy to look around and see what I wanted, and after talking with the designer, I decided Roman shades was best for this space. The designer really went above and beyond to make sure I had the correct look, the correct fabric, and even sent me samples right to my front door so that I could get a feel for them in real life. I ended up going with the linen stripe vanilla stone. I love this ticking stripe look so much. About a week later, a gentleman from Blinds.com came directly to our house and measured it so that we could have this accurate and looking good for our space. Our Roman shades were quoted to take 6 to 8 weeks to arrive at our front door, and they ended up taking 4, which I was so pleasantly surprised about. There's nothing like getting a package and your package comes early, right? And so when it came to installing it, my husband and I decided we wanted to install it ourselves. Blinds.com does have the option for a little bit more to have it professionally installed, so you make sure it's done accurately and absolutely flawlessly. I absolutely love the way these turned out. It really gives our home such a rich look, and I'm so happy with the way these turned out. One of my favorite parts about these Roman shades is these ones are specifically motorized, which I think is so cool. With a click of the button, you can have all of the Roman shades going up and down at the same time. We plan on building again another farmhouse styled home in the future, and having Blinds.com in our future home is definitely something we want again. The quality of the products and the look of the products is just right up our alley. We absolutely love them.